Hello and what's up everybody? I welcome you to Easync special webinar about Christmas, the most effective selling time for all the sellers, which is very exciting times. And at this webinar, we're going to speak about some technicals, how to do it, some methods, what to sell, and which tools we can give it for free for you. But also I want to show you some great updates that we did recently on Easync. So let's dive in and begin with Aqualine. I'm pretty much sure that you heard about Aqualine already before. As you may know, when we're selling an items on eBay and getting the items from Amazon, and when we get Amzdrop tracking numbers, it's not good for us to put these tracking numbers on our selling. So we decide to make a collaboration with Aqualine service, which is a very intelligent way to take the all Amazon tracking numbers and convert it to Aqualine. So I will show you some examples. You will see here tracking settings, and just make sure that you enable it and replace tracking number carrier. You can use only for Amazon carrier, which is the most recommended from my side, but you can also use all trackings. I mean, even if it's USPS or UPC or DHL, it anyways will convert to Aqualine. We have this option to do it. So this is Aqualine, guys, use it. And I must to say that it's very effective. All what the feedbacks that we hear from some sellers, that they become a top sellers on eBay, and also we hear some feedbacks that they never lose any case that open against them on eBay when they provide Aqualine tracking number, which is valid carrier on eBay. So guys, use this carrier to your sellings. So this is about Aqualine. Another great update that we did recently, it's about, let's show you some example from our stores. The recommendation item specific. Right now I just make a translation from French to English, but this is the recommendation, which is very important to do it because, as you may know, and you receive many messages from eBay that they require for us to put item specific, which is not enough to put the item specific from Amazon, but eBay want also item specific from themselves, from eBay. I mean, for example, if we upload some item, let's say a red ball, the weight of ball, it's like, I don't know, 5 pounds, and the size is maybe 7 meters square, and you must to put all these specific, and before you have to do it manually. But right now we have big news for you that we finally find a solution, and now we can do it for you automatically. If we can go to this store, and I will show you exactly what to do and how to update your item specifics. Pretty much what you have to do is go to your listings. You can choose all your listing by here, and then you will see here a little arrow, which is mean update specific. So I did it before, and I will show you how the numbers here decrease. We have right now here 708, and if I will refresh it, and let's see if we got some change. Yeah, so for our example, it changed and is decreased with 200 items already. It will not be fast, but do it, and within few hours you will see that all the specific is going down and down and down, and you don't have to worry anymore. Any new item that you're going to upload in Easync Monitor, it will automatically update the item specific. So you don't have to update it always. The system knows how to update this automatically. So please guys, do it, and it's very important. The information that we got also inside, that if you will not update your specific item from eBay, it means that maybe your items will not go to the search bar or Cassini or whatever. It means that your customer will not find your items that you publish on your store. So it's very important to do it, and I really recommend you to start to use this method. So, and if you want to do it bulk change and not to do it by one page, you will use our customer support, guys. Use our customer support always. For any question, you can write, hey, I want to update my listings with specific items. Just to let them know, and they will do the job for you. And as I said, it will take about few hours. Give it just one day for this, maybe, to see that you already update all your specific. So this is about item specific. Another great update that we have for you guys, it's the auto messages settings. It means that when the buyers buy from you, it means when the customers buy from you an item, you will set them a message. New order message is enabled, and you will choose thanks for buying from us. We have a complete template there inside. You can change the template if you want. Also, when we want to update them with the tracking number, your item is shipped and the tracking number is updated. And also the last message is that, hey, your item is delivered. If you forget to leave us a feedback, please do it right now. In our experience, it works, it helps when you communicate with your customers to increase more feedbacks to your store and show them that you are very professional. Make sure you enable this all and save it. So right now, let's dive in about what items we should sell on Christmas period. Guys, it can be any items that it's very popular right now on Christmas. By search on Amazon, and you will see, just to put, if we're going to put the name Christmas, let's see some examples. Christmas, you will see Christmas tree, lights, decorations, warping, face mask. As I know, there is a big niche, millions of Americans and Europeans buying this stuff. I think that also this year it will be even more special due to all the COVID-19 and everybody at home right now. And I think, in my opinion, they will spend even more money in this Christmas time. But if we're going to use a Finder, we have also the method with Finder. As you know, you can use all the markets that we support from Amazon, Amazon.com, UK, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. Right now, I want to bring some example for Amazon.com, and if I will write the word Christmas, let's see what I will find here. I'm already find here some stuff, and as we explained in our previous webinars about how Finder works, and if you don't know exactly how Finder works, I highly recommend you to click on Academy, and there is a special webinar about Finder. It's totally for free tool. Will not take any extra money for this tool. You can use it for your own, but I will show you how it works immediately. There is some Christmas window, or I don't know what is this, a fruit. home decoration, and you can see it here on this column we have sold. If we can take this item, it means one time sold in the last 2 weeks. This item sold 8 times in the last 2 weeks. And if we go dive in more and more and more, and we will find here a very interesting stuff. For example, this DVD about Christmas story sold 85 times. Big possibility if we're going to upload this to our store, so we're going also to sell it as well. And also this item and this item and so on. And the list is just go and go and go and go and go. Come to use Finder is totally for free. It will save your time. Just make sure when you choose the items that you want to upload, make sure you add them to batch, and it automatically will add to your batch just before you're going to upload it to your store. And you can always view your batch and choose them to upload. Just make sure the item is not Vero. We have all the indication if the item is Vero or if it's not, but always make sure you double check it to avoid any mistakes to your store. So this is one method, guys. And right now I want to speak with you about second method that we already present recently, which call Amzdrop. And if I will go to Go Login, I want to show you how works Amzdrop this time. I will run a browser from Go Login, which is very safe to use proxy for multiple accounts. I really highly recommend to you to use Go Login to manage your stores. If you have questions about Go Login, I will make a separate webinar about this. But right now I want to get focus on Amzdrop and to show you how it works exactly. So if I will go to Amazon, I'm already installed before Amzdrop, and you will see here the Amzdrop. And our niche right now is, as we say, is Christmas. Let's take, I don't know, decor right now. Okay, I want to go inside this niche of Christmas decors. We can see here is thousands items, all the beautiful decoration for Christmas. Also, this pillow is nice. And what Amzdrop doing pretty much is all the items that we see here. This tool is more for Amazon sellers who want to sell on Amazon, but we can use it also in Easync, because when you given some time to check all the items that we have on this niche, and we can take, for example, this item, I will add it to favorites, and I want also this item, I will click and add it to favorites. I will explain you immediately why I put it on the favorites, and I want also this item. You can see here information such a brand name, rank on Amazon, and by this knowledge you will understand if the item is selling good right now or not, and you can filter it in any way that you want. And let's say that I want another niche from Christmas. Let's take maybe pillows, I don't know, or yeah, let's take pillows. You really can use your imagination and can take any things that you believe that it will solve right now, but we have Amzdrop, which will show us the great indication how it's selling on eBay, on Amazon right now, which place on ranking it right now. And so now we have all the information about this pillow niche, and let's say that I would like to upload this item to my store. and I will add it to favorite. And let's take one more example. Maybe this one also. So right now, when I will click on favorites, I will see the items that I choose before and also the new items that I choose right now. And I will click on choose them all. And if I will click on it, I will get additional information such as copy async, create listing inside Easync, profit calculation, history find on Alibaba if you really want to sell this item on your FBA service. But what is the most important for us sellers here? That if we choose them all and want to upload on our Easync store, choose them all and click on create listings. I will see here a little message success. And if I will go all the way on the side and see if we got some errors, right now not, because it will show if the item is Vero or on our price monitor or not, but you have to see here a little link in the column called batch. It means that if we will click on it, it will redirect us automatically to our Easync price monitor. All the favorite items that we choose with Amzdrop, it already will be on our request batch. So guys, remember all the items that we see here, now it's inside our price monitor after we did our work with Amazon and we already know what we want to upload. We will see what's going on here. And let's say I decide to upload this item and also this item and this Christmas light and this pillow and this pillow also. I will approve them all. And as you know how to upload items to your store, Easync will upload these items automatically to your store, and you can back also again to your Amazon. You can delete them all and start to search to another niche for Christmas. While we are speaking, these items is already in our store. As you will see, it's approved. Very nice. So guys, use the Finder, use the Amzdrop to upload the best niche, Christmas niche, the holiday stuff. Don't wait to the last minute. This is the most effective period, and right now you must to prepare your store and get started selling Christmas items. I wish you a Merry Christmas and great holidays, and hope you all safe, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.